Land surveying requires a trustworthy organization. Many Mysore land surveyors charge different rates. Before choosing, examine the team's experience and service quality. Scondesign is a top Mysore land surveyor. They have topographic, border, and construction surveyors on staff. Their experience and attention to detail make them one of Mysore's best land surveyors. Scondesign has affordable rates. They tailor solutions to each client's demands. Their project fees are transparent and broken down. This helps clients comprehend expenses and decide. Scondesign provides industry-standard services at competitive prices. Advanced technology and equipment assure reliable findings and timely project completion. Scondesign offers accurate residential and commercial property surveys. Finally, choosing a Mysore land surveying business can be difficult. Scondesign guarantees quality services at the greatest pricing. Their trained professionals use cutting-edge technologies to offer accurate results. Scondesign is the best land surveyor in Mysore for rates. Scondesign is a leading Mysore land surveying company. Scondesign offers high-quality services and customer satisfaction due to its years of experience and competent personnel. Many clients choose them because they employ cutting-edge technology to measure accurately. When choosing a Mysore land surveying business, pricing and quality are both vital. Scondesign provides affordable, high-quality work. Their charges are fair and open, so you'll get the best value. Scondesign is one of several top Mysore land surveying businesses. Before choosing, study and verify their credentials. Look for reputable organizations with favorable client reviews. The top Mysore land surveying business can assist you spot difficulties before they become serious issues. They can assist you plan future development or renovations by assessing your land or property. Scondesign is the top Mysore land surveying firm. Many people like them because of their affordable, high-quality services. However, don't hesitate to investigate alternative options and do your homework to discover a trustworthy company that can match your demands. Are you looking to hire a land surveyor in Bangalore? Well, look no further, as Scondesign has got you covered. As a professional land surveying firm, they provide the best services in town. From conducting a thorough land survey to providing comprehensive reports, Scondesign has everything you need to get started on your project. I know what you're thinking, how much is this going to cost me? But don't worry, Scondesign offers affordable pricing for their services. Well, it's simple. A land survey provides valuable information about the property you are interested in. It outlines the boundaries, topography, and other important details that can save you from future disputes or headaches. Their team of expert surveyors will ensure that the job is done accurately and efficiently.